we're breaking. I'm Shivangi Shukla getting you the latest coming in, and we have the big story for you. Remember, only few days are left for the winter session of the parliament to end, but the opposition refuses to let go of the Adani matter and continues to protest outside the parliament every time around. We saw how NOP Rahul Gandhi has been outside the parliament protesting, taking part in theatrics, making some of the Congress workers and Indie Bloc workers and members join in the protest. We've also seen how some of them have been donning Adani and PM Modi masks. Those are pictures coming in right now as opposition theatrics continues, even though only a few days left. I repeat, 7 to 8 days are left for the winter session to end, which will end on December 20th. But we have hardly seen that the business of the House has continued. We have seen uproar in the parliament. We have seen chaos in the parliament. We have seen adjournment of both the houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, within few minutes sometimes. So this is what we're learning of right now on Republic TV as the Rahul Gandhi and the Indie Bloc is latching on to the Adani issue and has created uproar and a lot of chaos disturbing the business of the House. We've also seen that at an all-party meeting, the Indie Bloc had promised to make sure that the business of the House is conducted in a fair and a peaceful manner, so important business can be conducted and important bills can be discussed. But we did not see that happen. Even after the all-party meeting, we have seen how Rahul Gandhi has been again and again latching on to the Adani issue and has been seen rather outside the parliament conducting these protests, which you can see the pictures of. They are coming in on your screen. Now, remember, this is coming in as even the uproar is in the parliament over the George Soros issues as well and the Adani issue as well. So we have seen that these two issues have created uproar in the parliament as we see both the issues have led to chaos and ruckus in both houses of the parliament in the past few days, and in fact till the winter session has been ongoing so far. I want to go across to Gopi, who's joining us. Gopi, I'm coming across to you, and you can see those pictures, our viewers can see those pictures where black bags with PM and Adani caricatures can be seen. We can see that some are wearing masks outside the parliament of PM Modi, Adani. Then they are playing out something, some dialogue, conversation, theatrics is happening. But the big question is that only a few days left, Gopi, for the winter session to end. But has it been productive? Has it been productive, Gopi? Go ahead.
Well, Shivangi, as you've correctly mentioned, definitely when you speak of the houses being productive, as far as the winter session is concerned, no, it has not been productive. When you speak of Lok Sabha adjourned, see, when you see about yesterday what had happened, there was uproar in Lok Sabha as well on the remark by TMC's Kalyan Banerjee against India. Now, again, the women MPs today are protesting regarding this, while in the Rajya Sabha also we have seen how there was a din over no trust move against the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and as well as the Soros issue was raised in the Rajya Sabha, which led to its adjournment. While time and again we have seen they have been protesting using new theatrics, the opposition has been doing that. While we have also seen certain members of India Alliance parties are in fact not aligned with the Congress government. So when you look at the Congress parties, the theatrics which is going on, barring a certain few protests that have happened, TMC and SP have not supported them. So we will have to wait and watch what kind of ruckus is created today, again, as we have been seeing this throughout the winter session during this season. Back to you, Shiva.
I'll come back to you, Gopi, because we're getting some more breaking updates coming in. Anytime now, we will be tracking this protest with the BJP MPs where they are protesting against Kalyan Banerjee, TMC leaders. Comment on Jyotir Aditya Scindia, where Kalyan Banerjee called Scindia a lady killer. That is right. We saw a big uproar over this as well. And now, what we are learning so far, viewers, is that the BJP MPs will be holding a protest. TMC leader Kalyan Banerjee came under sharp attack for calling Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister, a lady killer during a heated conversation at the Parliament. And following this incident, the BJP women MPs have met Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju demanding action against Kalyan Banerjee. So we will be seeing that there will be a protest which will be held very soon. This happened after a heated argument in Parliament between the BJP MP Jyotiraditya Scindia and TMC's Kalyan Banerjee during a discussion on the disaster management bill, which led to chaos in the Lok Sabha and it forced a 30-minute adjournment. Even though Kalyan Banerjee had apologized for the remark, Jyotiraditya Scindia said, if you get personal, be prepared for the response also. So we are seeing all this chaos which happened yesterday and today. BJP women MPs will be staging a protest against a TMC MP anytime now, and we of course will be getting you all those pictures and what is happening on the ground. So back-to-back updates coming in, and we have a reaction. Let's go ahead and play it out.
सदन में तो हंगामा
आपके बयान से हुआ
हाँ ठीक है। हम
आपत्तिजनक बयान दिया है महिलाओं के लिए ऐसा
नहीं महिला को नहीं, उनको बोला था ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया को आई हैव सेड सॉरी, दैट्स एनफ। वो सदन में तो हंगामा
आपके बयान से हुआ
हाँ ठीक है। हम
आपत्तिजनक बयान दिया है महिलाओं के लिए ऐसा
नहीं महिला को नहीं, उनको बोला था ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया को आई हैव सेड सॉरी, दैट्स एनफ। वो सदन में तो हंगामा
आपके बयान से हुआ
हाँ ठीक है। हम
आपत्तिजनक बयान दिया है महिलाओं के लिए ऐसा
नहीं महिला को नहीं, उनको बोला था ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया को आई हैव सेड सॉरी, दैट्स एनफ।